Hello everyone, this is Chris. Welcome back. I just received in the mail some boxes from Ross Custom Switches. One of them is this long box with Gargraves track in it. And it says it's Theo gauge 3 rail. I guess it's the item number 101, the Phantom regular. And I guess they also offer the Phantom stainless, Gargraves stainless, and Gargraves regular. It actually has a date on it of June 25th, 2020. And this is the box that came with it that I ordered from Ross Custom Switches. Should be 10 turnouts in this box, along with some more Gargraves track, 5 more extra pieces. So this is one full case, which is, I think, is 50 pieces. And hopefully this will be enough to get my lower level staging yard complete. Well, let me open it up and I'll be back and show you what's inside. Well, this is what it looks like with it open. Of course, it has a bunch of peanuts and had a little bit of bubble wrap, and it had the packing slip. Actually, what I purchased was the main big case of Gargraves has 51 pieces, not 50. And when you buy it by the case, you actually get a discount. Instead of $9 a section, it was $7. And then inside this box, there's only 4 sections of track to make the 55 pieces I wanted. So let me dig through this, and I'll hopefully have the switches out on the next shot. Alright, here's the track out of the box, all unwrapped. They had it wrapped up so that different switches were wrapped in this plastic paper that I have over there. So what I ended up getting was 3 number 6 curved turnouts here on the left, and just one, or I guess that's a right hand curve. And then here I have another single left hand curve switch. The outer diameter is 0.96 and the inner diameter is 0.72. And this is their number 6 switch here, a left hand switch. And these are what they're number 4s. You got 4 left hand and 1 right hand. And this is the Gargraves track, top and bottom. So I'll look these over and see how they look. So far I've looked at them. There's a few things that need adjustment, I think. The way the rail matches up to the points. You might be able to see that one. And maybe on a few other ones. The rail doesn't match up correctly. But that's just a minor adjustment. And I think once that's done, everything else looked pretty good. I'll have to wire these, and I'm gonna use under the table switch motors. But I'll have to decide which ones. I'm looking at tortoise right now. I also bought a few ground throws, the Caboose Industry, where I have closer to the edge. I might, like on this number 6, might just use a ground throw. But probably with electrical considerations, I might have to go with the operated switch so I can make the electrical connections. Well, that about wraps up the track that I purchased, and I'll have to get some, now that I have the track, I can make some layout considerations of how it's going to fit on the table, and then start some construction of the grade to go down to my lower staging area. I'll see how that goes, and I'll keep you up to date. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.